Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free Hall effect sensor for your electronic projects. For this purpose you will need a CPU fan. Remove the stacker and metal clip using the screwdriver. Separate the blades. Here inside there is a Hall effect sensor. Separate it from the PCB using solder iron. Now you have a Hall effect sensor for your electronic projects. The links of Hall effect sensor projects are in the description. Please like, share and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.